12 out of 10 water right there.
12 out of 10. Can you just taste the minerals going down into your bloodstream, wherever the minerals go?
I can taste the earth.
Alright. We're off. Primal Jacob has to start the fire again. Oh, look at you. Go for it. Oh! Get me do it mine.
You're getting there.
Say hello.
What the hell is up?
First run, new boot. go down that one and it reminds me of the first of the season and how different it is from when we go down that trail, and it's where they open up the first lifts. But it looks like the snow design is so different. For the viewers, where we just went down, this is, well, the lift on our left. Here's what they open up for the first of the season, when they first open the mountain. And where we just skied down is also the trail that they open up. But the snow, how would you describe it? The snow design, snow pattern is totally different. Like when they first open the mountain, it's like a huge bumps because they're putting all the snow down. But it looks so different mid-season or end of season when it's all flat. I feel like a news anchor. I'm just like telling the camera. The camera can't see me, but you can hear me. On this side of the mountain, we're on the Barker lift right now. The snow on this side of the mountain is way better than when we were on Jordan. Jordan was a little icy, but still very powdery over here.
Yeah, it's nice. This side of the mountain's always good.
It is. I don't know why. Maybe there's more sun on it so it doesn't get as icy. Look at those mountains. On Taylor Cam, you'll get me talking to myself. On Jacob Cam, you're definitely not going to get him talking to himself. I'll be surprised. Jacob always goes too fast in front of me, and then he takes a random trail and we both end up on different sides of the mountain. I gotta figure out how to get to him again. This time, pick the right one. All ice, all ice. never ends up slow skiing with me. As you can see, Jacob ended up in front of me again because he says he's gonna go slow with me. I don't even go that slow, but it's too slow for Jacob. Always ends up passing. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get in. We're gonna have to heat this bitch up before we leave. Oh yeah.